Panina, how do you think you'd make 52 on our abacus? What do you think, Tiana?
Because we're a multicultural community, I think you have to be pretty committed to knowing the people that are part of our school, and that means a deep respect for who are you, what is your family value, how do you live, and how am I going to show that you have my respect and I want to learn from who you are.
Our whānau, grandmothers, granddads, aunties, uncles, are the most important people in our young tamariki's lives. This is their school.
It's that setting up from the start of your voice is valued because you are the first teacher. We all have a really important part to play and a voice to be heard.
He hononga paitira mōna whānau, kia taite ki te hahana mahi o a rātou tamariki.
We talk with the families about who their child is. They see a child that we don't necessarily get to see, so they fill in that part of the puzzle, and we share with them the part of the puzzle that we see of their child.
With every child being so unique, you can't assume different things about different cultures. You have to get to know each child, and even between generations. Some of our Somali community came from Somalia, and now I'm teaching the younger siblings who were born and raised in New Zealand, who are trying to connect back with their culture. Their needs are a lot different to what their parents' needs were.
And then I'll also teach you an instructional teaching practice that I use in my akomanga with my tamariki.
I'm committed to being able to make authentic connections with our community and not just surface connections. And I don't feel we can authentically do that until we're actually being learners ourselves and making a commitment ourselves to learn more about the language, the culture and the practices.
The big difference with Māori is that they're the indigenous people of New Zealand. So when we do have any events, it's an important part of New Zealand that their culture is not just represented but embraced. Other cultures understand and embrace them as well.